Te ko belajar bon ngap yang sampai PCSN akan ika channel. Tem tak sengi ngila eka matematik mo kane ru kolong live yo teleki question te keto ki art leki video ngila de black child development and pedagogy bat ka language 2 kata ka English te la dapin pada i kita ki art leki video pila ban page nyapo ka description box. Te kane kedai ka past year question jong ki MTET 2023. Te ngila bat sendon haka matematik mentaka sengi. Mentak sengi la eka matematik. Te kane ru kolong lai pio teleki question. Te ka question number way ka ong which nature of mathematics is related to clarity and precision and leave no room for doubt and ambiguity. So here B is the correct answer, accuracy. Accuracy is the correct answer, B. Question number 104 which of the following is not true about the nature of mathematics? Is not true mo ka question ka ong. The correct answer is C. Mathematical concepts are linearly arranged. So here C is the correct answer. Question number 100. A mathematical game and puzzle help students in making connection between mathematics and everyday activities of students. So here A is the correct answer. Question number 64. Mathematical communication refer to ability to consolidate and organize in mathematical thinking. So here A, D is the correct answer. Question number 65. The kind of learning mathematics with relational understanding and instrumental understanding was suggested by which of the following? So here B is the correct answer, scheme theory. Question number 100. Which of the following is one of the remedy to maths phobia? So here question number 100. Convey the language about mathematics to positive and enthusiastic. So here D is the correct answer. Question number 100. Which of the following is not an appropriate reason for fear of mathematics? So here question number 67. Mathematics inability of a learner. So here A is the correct answer. The question number 100. Which of the following is not the purpose of assessment in mathematics? So question number 100. Which of the following is not the purpose of assessment in mathematics? So here question number 100. Help student to decide on dropping the subject. So here C is the correct answer. Question number 69. Question number 69. Which of the following is an example of using ICT in teaching mathematics? So here B is the correct answer, use of GeoGebra and geometrical software. Question number 70. Which number is missing in the following pattern? So hakane ladang ngi sole kane Henry minus so kolong R, khandai minus Henry kolong lai, khatlai minus khandai kolong sau, khatpra minus khatlai kolong san. Lai peway minus khatpra kolong Henry. Nangta ni plus ya kita khatpra plus Henry kolong R pe sau kolong D is the correct answer. Question number new peway. The place value of 7 in 57,930 is ladangi mi pe yakini ki number kane ladangi pe yang ne san umdon san peu hajar hang ne henyo peu hajar kalong kadon hakasi khandai 100 umlong umdon re lai peu umlong umdon 0 umdon. The here A is the correct answer, 7,000. Question number 72. How many centimeters are there in 2.50 meters? The hakachi meter kalong chispa centimeter. The kamut ladangi multiply chispa into 2.57 kalong aspa sanpenyo. So C is the correct answer. Ladangi multiply chispa but kini ki number hang ne. Nangta question number new pulai. The area of rectangle is 96 cm square. If the length is 12 cm, then its parameter is tahangni lada pisol bihab use formula jangga kane kila I pi ka area of rectangle nang ta galang kila I bihab use ke formula wa kanang pisol kane. So anda pil dip solve yo 40. So 40 is the correct answer. Question number 74. 40% of a certain amount is 2.50. Then 50% of the same amount will be. Tahang ni ruk pila pinsa divide mo. Sao peo divide chispa kalong aspa san peo divide chispa pio katno nang ta sa sol kini pio. D is the correct answer. 10.5 pio mo. Dalam pesol pio kat ni 312.5 kat kumta pio lai spa kat r point san. Question number new person. A town has present population of 12,000. If the population is increased by 5% every year, then next year the population will be. Hang niru tapi pisol daga kane pisol percentage kane pio kat r hajar spa. That question new riu. A prime number has kane pio two factor mo. Nama prime number de number bala ban divide dala de ban multiply ne divide dala de yala de. Nuksa kamu new kat vei nang ta kat lai kum ta mo. Terta number kum nuksa kamu new mla ban multiply no number la ne divide no number. Like no yala de dala de. Nuksa nhau sini vei sini nhau. Te kalong two factor only mo. 2 is the correct answer. 2 factor. Question number new. The reciprocal of 137 is. Hang ni ruk pila ban use nuksa A tau A pi A la u3 la na B u7 mo nang ta use ya ka formula nuksa use hang ni use formula A into C into B by C. Ni C kadai u3 nang C udah 7 nang ta B udah u lai nang ta A udah 1 nang ta pitap yakini ki value A atau jong 1 atau jong A nang ta into C udah u 7 into C nang ta use hang ni plus mo formula plus 3 pio 10 kalong napo C to 7 kalong 7 10 by 7, so B is the correct answer. So hang ni B is the correct answer. Question number new pra. Which of the following fraction is not equivalent to 3 by 5? The barok kini ki choose option A, B, C ladangi page. Hang ni ladangi cancel R senilai R seni san. Te kalong lai hapo san. Hang niru new senilai R huwei new seni san lai pu san. Te kalong kumni hingiyo. Nang ta hang niru lai senilai kendai lai seni san kat san. Te kaju hingiyo kum kane. Te barok kane ka equivalent barok kini lai tali kat ne ngiyo equivalent ladangi ya cancel kane. Tenang ta hang ni ka bam yo tang kane ka A. So here A is the correct answer. Tahang ni 5 cm is equivalent to 0.005 km. Namar kane kilometer kane tang centimeter te ka equal by 0.005 km. Te try pila nang hai gitu. Tak question number 80. A bag contain 105 marbles. If 1/5 of the marble are removed, the number of 5 left in the bag. Telada 1/5 kamu 1 by 5 mah 1 by 5 into 105 mah entah ladangi divide cispaksan divide dausan kalong r per way cispaksan divide r persan kalong r per way cispaksan nang ta sa minus dau tau r per way kalong parabil sau parabil sau nang ta kalong parabil sau is the correct answer. Time question number 81. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. The sphere has 1 face only. The mark price of an article is 80 rupees. If it's sold at 72 rupees, the discount rate is only 10%. Which of the following is not symmetric? Kaneru ka trapezium habang symmetric kan pila ban no u kenjatiar pila ban kliap mo nang ta sayok kajuk same size kata both size kum ka paper pi kliap arsen kalong kajuk ka size kalong kata kadai ka symmetric te lada kamlong kamut kamdai ka symmetric te tang kane ka C is the correct answer ne it's not a symmetric. The akane ka question number 85. How many triangle are there in the following figure? Ta hangne ladangi page kanotli ki triangle badon hakane ka durma way kane r kane lai kane saw kane nangta saw sun kane barok stu driu kane barok sene nangta new barok gini te kalong new is the correct answer C. Nangta question number 80. Question number 86 ma. If ABC and CBD are complementary angle with angle CBD 65, then angle ABC is tahangne ka complementary angle kamut 90 degree. Tahangne ladangi layo hangne 65 kamut sakano lalong 90 degree kamut 25 sta 25 is the correct answer. Hangne 14 men construct a wall in 6 days. Then 1 man will be able to construct the wall in tamo khatsaw ngut kibriu ki chnaya kata ka karo ka chimpol khatsaw an hendrius ngi te kamut ada semen u ka chimpor u kat no nang tangi multiply hendrius sen ki khatsaw namal khatsaw ngut multiply by hendrius ngi mau ki chna hendriu into khatsaw kalong phrapeu saw te kamut C is the correct answer. The hangne the 88 the number 3 in the set hangne kane baro hangne the number 3 in the set has a frequency teladangi kawe u number 3 kalong udon sun mo sun factor way r lai saw sun kamut A is the correct answer 5. Question number 89. If the perimeter of a circle and a square are equal, then the ratio of their area will be haneru pihaban use a formula kane pio answer 22/7. The question number 90. The measure of A in right angle triangle ABC is 40. If angle B is 90, then the measure of C is 50 is the correct answer. Ngila te tangkum nehi ka maths ngila dep nam tangin poicha ka environmental studies te ka kene ka video ngip kut chwa kan ne te tangkum nehi ku blai pon ngin chama ka next video.